Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer XRP from OKX to Trust Wallet. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have both an OKX account with some XRP in it and the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security. It's 2025, after all, so let's stay safe. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your OKX account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find XRP in that list. Next, select the Withdraw option for XRP. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Step 2. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your XRP wallet. Tap on the Receive button to display your unique XRP address. Copy this address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds, so triple check it. Now, paste that address into the withdrawal form on OKX. You'll also need to specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Step 3. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, the address, and any fees involved. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. Depending on network congestion, your transfer should process in a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, head back to Trust Wallet and refresh your XRP balance. You should see your transferred funds there. Remember, always use official apps and keep your private keys secure. If you run into any issues, check the OKX or Trust Wallet support pages. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered transferring XRP in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay crypto safe and see you in the next video.